सवाल है जो पूछना चाहती हूँ। क्यों एक औरत इतनी महदूद है? क्यों सहती है वो इतनी तकलीफ? क्यों अपने अधिकार से वो महरूम है?
जब लड़कियों के पीरियड्स होते थे उन्हें घर से बाहर नहीं जाने दिया जाता था, उन्हें मंदिर नहीं जाने दिया जाता था।
काफी मुश्किल होती पीरियड के समय स्कूल जाने में। हमारे गांव में आसपास कहीं दुकान नहीं होती जो पैड खरीद सके।
Menstruation is a natural and biological phenomenon in a woman's body.
Then why are millions of women denied access to practical, sanitary, and dignified solutions during their menstruation? There are a lot of questions which need to be answered. At Enactus SBC, we are a team of 50 passionate members working dedicatedly for more than 25,000 hours to find answers to such questions and work together to bring a tangible change.
Lack of menstrual health is a comprehensive, multifaceted issue which poses a serious challenge to the entire human race. And so, with the vision to create a much better and sustainable world, we accepted this challenge and began our journey to find the answers.
We conducted awareness sessions in remote slums of Delhi to perceive the sentiments on menstrual hygiene management beyond surface level. We further conducted an on-field survey to assess the underlying issues and found that 45% of the women surveyed did not have access to sanitary essentials and the rest 55% could not afford them.
While exploring more on this topic, we found no dedicated waste management or incineration units for sanitary waste existing in India.
Hence, we needed a product which could serve our twin objectives.
And so, after hours and hours of research, we finally came up with our low-cost reusable cloth sanitary pad under the Crimson Project.
To begin with the production, we followed the conventional shape of a sanitary pad. But 3 months later, after conducting a feedback session, we realized that some women were hesitant to dry these pads in the open. And hence, we redesigned and gave our pads a rectangular shape.
With the new shape, the pad could be folded multiple times, which provided extra absorption and protection and also helped in providing a larger surface area which facilitated easy drying. Our pads are completely organic and made from a high quality variant of cotton. They have to be well washed, dried and stored properly to maintain hygiene, with the sun acting as a natural disinfectant for them.
We also made sure that they are safe to use by keeping them free from chemicals like dioxin. Dioxin, if otherwise used in regular sanitary pads, causes serious health damages and risk to the body.
ये पैड यूज करती हो और हमको खरीदने भी जाना नहीं पड़ती है और काफी सस्ती पड़ती है। तो बार बार धुल के हम यूज भी कर सकते हैं और यूज करने में भी बड़ी आसानी होती है।
One of the major concerns for women was the amount spent on purchasing the pads.
On an average, a woman uses around 8 pads in a month, which amounts to approximately Rs 165 per month, which means Rs 2,000 per year or Rs 6,000 for 3 years.
On the other hand, our full cycle cloth pad kit, which consists of 3 pads and an antiseptic, costs about Rs 150 and lasts up to 3 years or about 60 washes depending on the usage.
Thus, by using our Crimson pads, a woman throughout her menstruation cycle can reduce her expenditure by 72%. Approximately 433 million napkins containing non-biodegradable plastic are thrown away every month, which takes up to 800 years to decompose. Not only this, these non-compostable pads end up in landfills or worse, our water bodies. Our pads, on the other hand, are biodegradable and compostable by up to 95%. Each Crimson pad that a woman uses eliminates plastic waste by up to 566 gram. Therefore, through the pads that we distributed, we have effectively eliminated plastic waste by 6,902.5 kg, which is equivalent to reducing contamination by 1 crore plastic bags. Our project Crimson is run by women for women. Initially, we had started training a group of 30 women working in a vocational center in Delhi. As we scaled, we further employed a group of 40 women in collaboration with Quab Foundation.
हम क्रिम्सन के लिए पैड बनाते हैं जिससे हमारा भी घर चलता है और उन औरतों का भी भला होता है जो ये पैड खरीदते हैं.
Apart from just manufacturing reusable pads, our aim was to educate and spread awareness. We had a dialogue with women about safe menstruation practices and introduced a more economical alternative of Crimson pads. For this, we conducted 16 such awareness sessions impacting more than 4,000 women. Currently, we have made accessible more than 12,200 pads to women all over the country.
हमें क्रिम्सन अवेयरनेस सेशन में पीरियड्स के बारे में बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला.
पीरियड्स के हेल्थ पर क्या असर होता है, कब मतलब डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए.
अंदर पीरियड्स के ऊपर लिखे सवाल थे वो भी इन्होंने सारे क्लियर कर दिए.
थैंक यू सो मच इतने अच्छे अवेयरनेस सेशन के लिए.
Through these sessions, our pads started receiving acceptance and we began generating revenue.
We conducted a ghetto crowdfunding through which we collected rupees 1,41,000 and were also honored to have received a grant of rupees 5 lakh from Eco Grants.
Running the project for 3 years, we divided our accumulated profits. 50% for providing pads at subsidized rates to underprivileged women, 30% for increasing the disposable income of our beneficiaries, 20% for reinvesting in the research and development of our project. In this journey, we were not alone.
Students, young students, are rendering a great service through their project Crimson. This is a very, very great step towards the growth of a nation, and that too without compromising on the environment aspect.
While continuing on this journey, the ongoing pandemic posed further challenges.
While we were safely locked up in our houses with most of our amenities with us, there were women out there without even the basic sanitation facilities. To help them, our team provided more than 2,600 pads to places affected by the lockdown in various states pan-India. And hence, women received these pads at their doorsteps.
Because periods don't stop for pandemics. The immediate post-COVID plan would be a digital substitute to our sessions. Digitized modules covering the way our pads have to be used, the do's and don'ts, hygiene and sanitation management will be made available to everyone at the safety and comfort of their homes.
As part of our long-term vision, we laid down a detailed 5-step plan to empower our women to run their own self-sustaining production units or self-help groups.
As the first step, the beneficiaries will be provided with the required training in stitching and manufacturing and assistance in procurement of raw materials.
Next, quality control mechanism will be set up to ensure that all pads meet the hygiene and quality requirements.
Our team will then identify and build a network of women who will undertake the production and sales of the pads themselves.
Next, They will be provided with training for conducting the awareness sessions themselves with the access to carefully drafted scripts.
The beneficiaries will then approach more women and branch out to other surrounding villages and towns. Still have some doubts? The co-founder of Crimson Project is here to answer your questions.
The Crimson pads are highly absorbent. They are made of 3 layers, out of which one is a leak-proof layer. A kit of 3 pads, when used in rotation for 5 to 6 hours per pad, does the job just like disposable sanitary napkins and is suitable for all blood flows, including heavy flow. On days with less sunshine, rainy days in particular, it is recommended to wash the pads with a little extra disinfectant that we have provided in the kit, and also to dry them in an area which is covered but open, and refrain from drying it in spots which are in corners susceptible to more dampness. For generations, women have been using cloth for their menstrual needs all across the world. Shifting to reusable sanitary napkins is in no way going back in time, because these napkins are designed for the very purpose of menstruation, unlike cloth rags that are usually obtained by cutting up old cloth lying at home. These sanitary napkins are far more hygienic, sustainable and eco-positive.
Crimson is the color of power.
The color of strength.
Just like women
who are strong and are capable of doing anything and everything.
The small thought we started with came a long way.
A thought to make a difference.
A thought to bring a change.
And we will always continue to do so.